Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on Facebook. These features can be really useful if you want more privacy when reading message. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, it's important to note that Facebook is connected with Messenger. This means that the settings for read receipts is managed through the Messenger app. Alright, to get started, tap on the Messenger icon located at the top right corner of your Facebook screen. Alright, once you are in Messenger, you will see three lines in the upper left corner. Tap on those to open the menu. Next, find and tap on the settings icon to access your settings. Now that you're in the settings section, scroll down until you find the privacy and safety option and tap on it. In this section, you need to scroll down all the way down to the bottom where you will see the read receipts option. Turning off read receipts means that people won't be able to see when you have read their message. Simple toggle this option off and you're all set. Alright, now you know how to turn off read receipts on Facebook, giving you more control on your privacy. So, that's it.